Hey guys, welcome back once again to our YouTube channel Ships and Ports, where we tell you regarding the shipping information, daily port reports, and accidents. Today's news is regarding one of the mega container ship named Milano Bridge and mishap in Busan port. Container ship Milano Bridge in afternoon April 6 contacted Gantry Crane 85 at Busan New Port container terminal while proceeding to berth 7 with pilot on board. Then she contacted Then she contacted bird container ship Seaspan Ganges and moving on momentum further on. Contacted cranes 81 and 84. Cranes 85 collapsed. Cranes 81 and 84 are derailed. Crane 85 otherwise slightly injured. Seaspan Ganges left port shortly after accident. Understood damages were slight or none. Milano Bridge as of 1100 UTC was not yet moved, probably because of current debris on her stern. Container ship Milano Bridge IMO 9757187 DWT 146931 capacity 13870 TEU built 2018 flag Panama operator 1 line container ship Spaceship Ganges IMO 9630365 GWT 115177 built 2014. If you like this information, do share with your friends and other friends. Thank you.